Meet Ray. Ray is an IT manager for a large global blue chip. But Ray's life is not always easy, especially recently. It's been a bad day for Ray. He's had his budget cut, which means he's had to let people go. But the data on his servers keeps building up, and there are so many people to see and help, and he can't get home to his wife and kids, and he feels like he's running on the spot just to stay where he is. Then one day, Ray gets a phone call from Hitachi Data Systems, and they arrange a meeting. And they seem to know what Ray's talking about. They use cool words like virtualization and tiered storage, which makes Ray feel clever. And they show Ray an even cooler tool, and show Ray how to understand his storage costs, which will help him talk to the CFO. And they show him how he can get more from his storage using virtualization and optimize his tiered storage and reclaim space he thought he'd lost. And it turns out Ray could save money by doing more with the machines he has, which will make his boss happy. And all in all, the experience is quite unlike other sales meetings he's had in the past. And they'll help him every step of the way. So he calls his boss. His boss also likes what he says. And soon Ray's problems start to go away. The data center can now cope, so the data doesn't build up, so people's computers are working better, and they can find what they want when they want it. So his phone rings less, and his inbox is no longer full, and he can get home at a reasonable hour, and his boss now likes him, and the data center becomes a place of joy. In fact, things get so much better, Ray's boss decides to take the credit. And then his boss takes the credit off him. And his boss's boss, Ray doesn't mind. Have you ever had a Ray day? Hitachi Data Systems. We might. Just might be able to help.